Hi guys, it's me Gian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To talk about Feng Shui, it is the balance of all the elements sa ating kapaligiran. Kailangang balanse yung lahat ng enerhiya at elemento sa ating paligid, sa ating katawan, sa ating buhay upang makamit natin ang isang positibong enerhiya at pangyayari na hinahangad natin sa ating buhay. So for this year, the element is the wood. So according to Chinese chart, overflowing ang wood sa taong ito. So, para ma-achieve natin yung goals na maging balanse ang daloy ng enerhiya at swerte, so kailangan nating ibalanse at mag-incorporate tayo ng iba pang elements na kailangan maging present pa din sila around us or sa ating katawan at sa ating mga bahay. So, the best way para ma-achieve natin yung pagbalanse na ito ng mga elements at enerhiya is to incorporate ourselves with the lucky colors na mag-represent ng bawat elements. So, for this video, alamin natin kung ano yung mga simpleng kulay na pwede nating gamitin, i-add sa ating wardrobe for us to have a balanced Feng Shui energy. So, kung nag-iisip ka kung ano yung mga kulay ng damit na pwede mong suotin, i-add sa iyong mga wardrobe, sa iyong cabinet, sa piles ng inyong mga sinusuot for this year, at kung yung goal mo is to attract wealth and financial stability for this year, you have to add your wardrobe with black and blues. Kasi according to Feng Shui, it represents water or the flowing water, which is yung element na isa sa magbabalanse ng magandang enerhiya for this year ng Wood Dragon that represents the attraction of good fortune and financial stability and wealth for the year 2024. Kung ikaw naman ay estudyante o kasalukuyang nagre-review for your board exams, sa mga bar exams, siyempre kung ang goal mo for this year ay maipasa ang mga exams na ito, you can always incorporate your day-to-day outfit and wardrobe na gold, silver, and white. Dahil for the 2024 Chinese color chart, these colors stands for wisdom and intelligence. And we all know that Feng Shui adds the flow of positive energy na pwede nating magamit at mag-add ng swerte na makakatulong syempre sa pag-achieve ng ating mga pangarap at goals para sa taon ng Wood Dragon. If you want your career or your business to go up for the next level, you have to wear the colors na according sa fire element for this year 2024. At ang mga kulay na ito ay ang red, purple, at oranges. Paano naman yung sinasabi na lucky color of the year na emerald green or other shades of green, which represents the wood element for this 2024 year of the Wood Dragon? Are all lucky pa din ba ang color na ito? Of course, yes. Dahil green represents growth and recognition luck. So, for this year, kung gusto mong mas mapansin ang iyong mga talents, creativity, you have to grow yourselves much better. So, you have to transform. Or maybe, kung gusto mong magsimula muli, you have to incorporate this color on your day-to-day life. So, hindi naman kailangan na suotin mo buong taon yung color na green, emerald green, or a shade of green. But of course, you can always wear something green. Kahit accessories like those jade stones. So, this will boost the flow of that energy na kailangan mo para sa mga goal mo para sa taon ng 2024. If your goal for this year naman is to have better people around you, a good network of friends, or you're in a networking business, what color yung pwedeng makapag-boost ng energy para mas maganda yung relationship around you? The color yellow brings good allies according to Chinese astrology for this year 2024. But according to the Chinese color chart for this year, we already have an excess of earth element for this year. So hindi na kailangan ng maraming color yellow on our day-to-day outfit in life. So a little yellow na lang. So it could be an accessory or a jewelry na yellow, kahit mga headband na lang or shoes, kasi mag-overflow na yung yellow, which represents the earth element. Hindi rin magiging maganda yung resulta pag nag-overflow na or sumobra yung paggamit mo ng color yellow for this year. Dahil according to Chinese chart, a-attract na siya ng jealousy around you kapag sumobra yung color yellow sa iyong pananamit at sa iyong paligid. So, better advice nila is to incorporate and add some water elements like blue and black para mabalanse yung daloy ng enerhiya at matanggap mo yung tamang swerte at energy na kailangan mo to have good people and to have good support around you. Sa dami ng nangyayari in this early months of 2024, we are all very hopeful na magiging mas maganda na ang daloy ng swerte sa pagpasok ng Year of the Wood Dragon on February 10. So, lahat tayo hangad natin ng magandang career, magandang flow ng business, financial stability, but of course, aside to incorporating ourselves with these lucky colors, kailangang mas maging maganda din syempre yung pagharap natin sa bawat araw ng ating buhay. Because if you're doing everything positively, yung bawat araw na dumadating sa'yo at bawat eksena, bawat problema ay sinasalo mo at hinaharap mo ng may positive mindset, ay syempre mag-a-attract ka din ng positibong resulta. So, kailangan within ourselves, we have to start doing right, to think positive, to be better, to have a good relationship, to smile always para maging mas maganda at maiwasan natin yung mga stress na araw-araw na bumabangga sa atin along the way. So we have to do it. Of course, I am always happy to share these ideas to you all para naman lahat tayo magiging happy. And of course, bago tayo magtapos, I am always reminding you to just leave comments and subscribe and like this video if you like my topic for today. Thank you so much for watching.